In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Jira. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp workspace connected to Jira so your teams can keep work in sync without switching tools. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want this integration. It helps to confirm you have the right permissions to add apps. If you're not an owner or admin, you may need someone with higher access to complete the install or grant approval. Once you're in ClickUp, look toward the top of the interface for the small waffle, or grid-style icon. This opens the app launcher. Click it to reveal options related to extensions and integrations available for your workspace. From that menu, choose Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's app directory, where you can browse or search for integrations. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar and type Jira to jump straight to the listing. Open the Jira listing to review what the integration does and what permissions it requests. This page gives you a quick overview of how ClickUp and Jira will share information. When you're ready, select Connect. This begins the authorization flow and securely hands you off to Atlassian's sign-in page for Jira. Now, connect your account to sign in. Enter your Jira credentials or follow your organization's single sign-on process if that's enabled. If you manage multiple Jira sites, pick the correct one for your team. You'll be shown exactly what access you're granting, typically the ability to read and update issues. So take a moment to verify it aligns with your organization's policies. Approve the permissions to finalize the connection. If your browser blocks pop-ups or third-party cookies, temporarily allow them so the authorization window can complete. And if you see a message that you lack permission, contact your Jira or ClickUp admin to enable the integration for your workspace. After authorization, you'll be routed back to ClickUp with the integration connected. From here, your workspace can start leveraging Jira inside ClickUp according to the options available in your plan and setup. Make sure everyone on your team signs in with the correct work accounts to avoid access mismatches, and double-check you selected the right Jira site if your company uses more than one. That's it. You went to ClickUp, opened the waffle menu, chose Apps, selected Jira, clicked Connect, and signed in to authorize the link. With the connection in place, your teams can stay aligned across both tools with far less context switching.